Hello everyone, my name is Ali Hassan and student ID is S802863. I will presenting my presentation accounting analysis of provision, contingent liability and contingent asset BHP Group Limited and Commonwealth Bank of Australia. In slide 2, I'm just it's a table of contents. In the presenting, I will first provide an introduction of the topic. Then I will discuss the profiles of the two companies and their respective industries. Following that, I will explain the accounting treatment for provision, contingent liability, and contingent assets. I will analyze items and companies' financial reporting, explore these adopting of relevant accounting standards, and discuss the important and challenges associated with these accounting elements. Finally, I will conclude with a summary and provide references. In slide 3 is introduction. In this report, I will analyze the BHP Group and Commonwealth Bank of Australia account the provision, contingent liability, and contingent assets in the financial statement and financial services. Provide a device industry's perspective. I selected these companies due to the strong commitment, sustainability, and transparent financial reporting. In slide 4 is a company profile and industry overview. BHP was founded in 1885 and has become a multinational mining company focused on extraction, iron, coal, petroleum worldwide. The mining industry is capital intensive or highly regulated, requiring intensive provisions and environmental and assets rehabilitations. BHP integrates sustainability and its reporting, especially through environmental provisions and government disclosure. Commonwealth Bank of Australia was established in 1911 and provides retail and industry banking service across Australia. In slide 5, accounting treatment. The accounting provision, contingent liability, and contingent assets is governed by AASB 31137, which align with IAS 37 internationally. Provide the liability from past events where overflow and probable and measurable, and they both are recognized in financial statement. Contingent liabilities involve possible obligation and uncertain benefit from certain events. Disclosure when inflow are probable but only recognized when virtually certain. Provision are measured by best estimate and inquire management judgment. In slide 6 is analysis of provision, contingent liability, and contingent assets. In BHP 2023 annual reports provide mainly related to the environmental rehabilitations, assets, retirements, and employee benefits, totaling $4.2 billion USD. BHP discloses contingent liability and lists the totally claims and disputed, but does not recognize contingent liability assets and uncertainty. CBA reports provide legally and expected credit loss, totally $2.5 billion Australian dollar of the employee obligation, CBA's contingent liability, and totally approximately 15 billion from the guarantee. In slide 7, additions of relevant accounting standards. Both BHP and CBA explicitly company with AASB 137, ensuring consistency recognized by disclosure for provision and contingency. BHP used scientific and regulatory framework to estimate environmental provision, reflect the best estimate and prevent obligation principle. CBA imply expected credit loss model and incorporate forward-looking data and microeconomic variable estimate credit provisions. Legally provisions in the both companies are recognized when in outflow are probable and measurable, consistency with AASB 137 guideline. In slide 8 is the importance and challenges. Provision and contingencies are critical because they both provide stakeholders with insight into a potential futures, financial impact, and companies' risk exposure. Accurate disclosure of potential inventory confidence, stability, uh, compliance, and information decision making. However, companies face challenges include estimate uncertainty, timing of outflow, and difficulties in qualification, long-term environmental or legal obligation. Mining companies like BHP face explicities due to the evolving regulations and scientific uncertainties surrounding environmental rehabilitation provision. Banks such as CBA must forecast credit loss and manage legal risk for dynamic economic conditions and regulatory security. In slide 9, I'm just presenting conclusion. In conclusion, the both BHP and CBA demonstrate stronger adherence in AASB 137 in accounting of provisions and contingent liabilities and contingent assets. BHP focus on environmental provision, reflective its sustainability responsibilities in the mining sector, while CBA certain of credit and legal risk management typical of banking experience. Both companies provide transport disclosure and scientific scientific management judgment in estimate ensure the reliable and companies of financial reporting. The integration of sustainability and confidence in provisions undercross the evolving nature of corporate accountability. The prospective analysis highlight the virtual role of the robotic financial reporting in promotions, transparency, or accounting in Australian industry. In slide 10, I have under references authorized accounting standards, company annual report, and academic literacy to support the analysis. Industry ASB 137, BHP and CBA 2023 annual report and work of by design, Brown the Bushman and others. Thank you so much.